let's talk for a moment about the safety features and what Lego does to really ensure the safety of our children and just going the extra mile when you think and conceptualize new ideas.
Yeah, of course. Lego was voted most reputable brand in the world for the last few years, and you cannot do it by not having the safety in the first place. We are always stating what is the proper age for each set. We are always trying very hard testing on all the sets, and you can be very sure that there is no safer brand in the toys industry than Lego is, because it is really top priority for us.
So one example of that, for instance, is if you look at the figurines, right? And am I right in saying that there's a little hole in the head that makes it, if a child or someone chokes on it, it makes it safer?
Actually, figurines should be unchokeable, so it is really being tested that for any kid's throat, we would not be able to choke on the Lego minifigures. So these are really being tested thoroughly, and all this is taken into account when we are planning the new products and new lines.
Thank you so much for making our lives as parents easier, more enjoyable, and may I say, it's not just my son who plays with Lego. I am just as a big fan. Thank you so much for your time.
It is our mission to be that way, so thank you very much.